Discover the top 10 plants for bees on the prairies, ideal for attracting pollinators and creating a buzzing paradise in your garden. Our top 10 list ensures there are spring, summer, and early fall blooming plants, catering to the prairie region's unique climate and extending the feeding season for bees. We've taken special care to include a wide variety of flower colors and shapes to attract bees with different preferences. In the spring, welcome the prairie crocus with its vibrant purple blooms. Smooth blue beard tongue, a delicate beauty loved by bees. And don't forget the milkvetch, a lovely addition to any pollinator-friendly landscape. As summer arrives, embrace the wild bergamot, also known as bee balm, cherished by bees for its nectar-rich blossoms. The alpine hedysarum, an elegant choice for your garden, and the lupine, available in blue or silvery hues, a bee's delight. Finally, fleabane, another fantastic option to bring bees buzzing happily in. Later in the summer, the prairie goldenrod takes the stage with its golden blooms and abundant nectar. The aster, a dazzling flower that bees simply can't resist. And lastly, purple coneflower, a beloved favorite among pollinators, completing the delightful ensemble. Our selection is backed by bee research and tailored to attract specialist pollinators in the Calgary area. For other regions, a little research may need to take place to find out what works best for your zone. Make a difference for bees and our ecosystem by planting these top 10 prairie-friendly plants.